Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with letter G in Filet Crochet. It's a cursive letter, capital letter 2, and how to make the first row, that is chainless foundation DC, and how to work filet. The basics of filet is given in another video. Two videos are there and the links will be given in the description box, and I'll be speaking in the normal speed. If you want to view it in a slower speed, there is option in YouTube. You can go and view it in 0.75 or 0.5 speed so that you get a clearer hearing and working. Okay, otherwise you can pause at every row, work and go ahead. It's up to you. Okay, now to begin with, I have 61 DCs as the foundation first row and letter G, and second row is one closed square on either side with 18 open squares. Okay, and then row number 3, all odd number rows are read from right to left and worked. Even number rows are read from left to right and worked. So this has got one closed square, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 open square, 1 2 3 4 closed squares, 3 open squares and 1 closed square. Now row number 4, one closed square, 2 open squares, 1 closed square, 4 open squares, 1 closed square, 10 open squares and 1 closed square here. So this we have done with row number 4. Row number 5, from right to left, 1 closed square, 9 open squares, 1 closed square, 2 open squares, 1 closed square, 2 open squares, 1 closed square, 2 open square and 1 closed square. Okay. Row number 6, 1 closed square, 3 open squares, 2 closed squares, 3 open squares, 2 closed squares and the rest open squares, and then last is closed square. Row number 7, right to left, 1 closed square, 7 open squares, 2 closed squares, all the rest are open squares except the last is a closed one. Then row number 8, left to right, 1 closed square, 7 open squares, 4 closed squares and the rest open squares, and the last one is closed square. Okay. Row number 9, you have 1 closed square, 1 2 3 4 5 6 open squares, 1 closed square, 3 open squares, 2 closed squares, the rest are open squares and the last one is closed square. Row number 10, 1 closed, 6 open, 2 closed, 4 open, 1 closed, 5 open and 1 closed. Row number 11, 1 closed, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 open, 2 closed, the rest are open and the last one is closed. Row number 12, 1 closed, 6 open, 3 closed and the rest are open and the last one is always a closed one. 13th, 1 closed, 6 open, 1 closed, 2 open, 2 closed, the rest are open and then this is the closed one. 14th row, closed, 3 6 7 open, 3 closed, 2 open, 1 closed, the rest are open and closed. 15th one, 1 closed, 1 closed, 5 open, 1 closed, 2 closed, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 open and 1 closed. The 16th one, 1 closed, 10 open, 2 closed, 6 open and 1 closed. And in the last row you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 closed, 1 2 3 4 open, and the rest and all are closed squares. Thank you friends for watching. Have a nice day. Let me meet you with letter H.